A few winters ago, I noticed something strange in my bedroom. The room heater was working, yet one side of the bed always felt colder. The warmth seemed to disappear into the wall behind the radiator. An older repair technician looked at the setup and smiled. He suggested something incredibly simple. Place aluminum foil behind the heat source and watch what happens. At first it sounded like one of those internet myths, but the explanation was actually based on basic physics. Aluminum is a highly reflective metal. Instead of absorbing heat energy, it reflects a large portion of thermal radiation back toward the room. In simple terms, heat that normally escapes into the wall can bounce back into the bedroom. The result is not magic, but improved heat efficiency. Many home energy guides explain this concept. Reflective surfaces placed behind radiators can help redirect warmth into living spaces instead of letting it disappear into building materials. In my case, the change was small but noticeable. The room felt warmer even though the heater setting stayed the same. There are a few simple ways people use this idea. The first method is placing foil behind a radiator. A sheet attached to cardboard or insulation board can act as a reflective surface. The second method is using foil near windows during very cold nights. Some people temporarily place reflective foil behind curtains to reduce heat loss through glass. The third method involves redirecting warm air from heaters so it spreads more evenly across the room. Scientifically speaking, this works because reflective materials bounce a portion of infrared heat radiation back toward the room instead of letting it transfer into colder surfaces. The key word is portion. It does not replace insulation or proper heating systems. Some people expect dramatic changes and become disappointed. In reality, it is a small efficiency improvement. Use foil safely around heaters. Never block ventilation or airflow. Certain heating systems may require different setups. Consult a professional if unsure. Every home also reacts differently depending on wall materials, insulation, and climate. Moderation and safety always matter. After trying this simple adjustment, I noticed something interesting. The heater ran less often, yet the room felt more comfortable at night. Sometimes the most useful tricks are not expensive devices. They are simple ideas hidden in plain sight. If you found this tip useful, tap like below. Small ideas can make everyday life easier.